stress away is like you're on an island and you're just relaxing and it just like feels pretty good. It's tropical. To me, I think tropical. And so I love to use Stress Away as my perfume. So you could put this little roller filament on that I was showing you guys before, and you can just roll Stress Away all over you and just use it as a perfume. Or if your kids or your husband or whoever is driving you crazy, you can put a drop on your hand or just breathe it in over and over and over again and pretend you're on an island far, far away from it all. So that's how I like to use Stress Away. The other way I like to use Stress Away, of course, is putting it in the diffuser. I love adding a few extra drops of lime with Stress Away because the Stress Away already has lime in it, so it just helps magnify the smell. It smells beautiful. The other thing I love to do is making it out of a spray, and I love making Stress Away sprays, and you could just spray the air in your car, wherever, and you at your children. They're like, stop. So there you go. That's how I like to use Stress Away. Thanks.